In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search a website on Bing. This is a quick, reliable way to find information that lives on a specific site, especially if that site's own search is limited or hard to navigate. You can do this on any browser and on desktop or mobile, and it takes just a moment. Start by going to bing.com. Once the page loads, click or tap the search box. You're going to use a simple search operator that tells Bing to only show results from one site. Type it in this format: siteexample.com, followed by a space, then your search terms. The part before the space is the key. The word site, followed by a colon with no space, and then the domain you want to search. Replace example.com with the website you're interested in. You don't need to include HTTP, HTTPS, or www, just the domain. For instance, siteexample.com. Privacy policy will return pages about privacy policy only from that domain. If you want to focus on a specific section of a site, you can narrow it even more by using a subdomain, like site blog.example.com, followed by your keywords. This is useful when a site has separate areas for news, help, or documentation. On the other hand, if you want to cover everything under a domain, keep it as siteexample.com, and Bing will include subdomains as well. Your search terms after the space work just like any normal Bing search. To find an exact phrase, put it in quotes, like siteexample.com, annual report. To exclude a word you don't need, add a minus sign in front of it, such as siteexample.com, report, draft. If you're not sure which word will appear, you can try alternatives with OR, for example, siteexample.com, guide OR tutorial. Small tweaks like these help you zero in on the right page faster. After you run the search, every result should come from the site you specified. If you're not seeing what you expect, double-check the domain spelling and try removing or adding a subdomain. Some sites limit what search engines can index, so not everything may be available. When that happens, try broader keywords or shorten your phrase to find related pages. That's all there is to it. Head to Bing, type site, example.com, followed by your search terms, and you'll quickly filter results to exactly where you want to look. It's a simple habit that saves time, helps you find credible sources on a specific site, and makes research much smoother.